Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and LED low and high beam headlights. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,